Hey there, welcome to another exciting JavaScript tutorial. Today we're going to talk about the pop method. The pop method is like taking the last item of the end of your array. It's super easy to use, and here's how it works. You have an array like this. I have an array of fruits. And let's say you want to remove the last item, which is date. You can do this with the pop method, and here's how. So we're going to call the pop method on fruit. So I have fruit.pop, and then we're going to console the log fruit to see what's left in the array. Excuse me. Yeah. So you can see that the last item, which is date, has already been removed, and the length of the array has changed as well. Right? So the pop method is not only used to remove the last item from the array, but also gives it back to you in a case whereby you want to use the last item in the array. So I'm just going to assign this to a variable. So I have const removed item equals this, and then we can console the log removed item. Let's see what that gives us. Yeah, I have date. Now you might wonder why I would want to use the pop method. Stay tuned while I explain in details in the next example. In this next example, we're going to see how useful the pop method can be in a real-life web application scenario. For example, managing your notifications on social media platforms like X, Snapchat, or whatever media platform. In our web application, users receive notifications like comments, friend requests, likes, and more. The notifications are stored as an array, like I already have here. So I have an array of notifications, telling you liked your post, Kim commented on your photos, and the likes. And our users love staying up to date. And when they click on a notification, we want it to disappear from the list and probably pop up on a modal showing the content of the notification. This is where the pop method comes to our rescue. The pop method is like magic. It removes the last notification in our array and gives it back to us. Let's see how it works. So I already said we're going to call pop method on notification. So I have notification.pop, right? After using the pop method, the last notification, which is 10% of your next purchase, is going to be gone from the list. So we have to console the log notifications. So the length of the array changed, and then the last item in the array is gone. However, to retrieve the last item that was removed from the array, we can now save this into a variable. So we have latest notification equals this. Then we can then console the log latest notification. So we have 10% off your next purchase. So this is what's going to be displayed to the user once they click on the notification. Right? So the next time you're building a web application and you want to make elements disappear as users interact with your platform, remember our social media notifications and the pop method. It is like enhancing the user experience and making your app more engaging. Thanks for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe for more JavaScript tutorial. See you in the next video. Thank you.